Okay, after noticing this crack, I drilled to one side of it. You can see which side, the left side. It doesn't have to be the left side, it could be the right. But I chose a side so that I could loop in, tie in, just like we do any brake, to fill it. Notice how I'm going step by step. I've addressed this portion, and then I move on. So now we've gone one by one, filled that in, filled this in, filled that in. Now we're moving up. Again, I can't stress enough, we can't drill straight over the crack and expect it to stop. Drill points right on top, drill point to the left or right. Also, let's look at depth. So depth, this is very shallow here. Depth, watch. Get that to show. Depth. Shallow. Watch this. And it goes up a ways too. Okay, so as I was saying, we still go bit by bit, stitching it together. We have to get up there too. So again, here we are, just to reiterate one more time. Drill point, drill point, drill point, drill point, drill point, drill point, all too shallow, and all of them right on the crack. It will always propagate further. Has to be to the side. So, to the side. I chose a side, left or right, and it loops around. Once I'm looped around with a bullseye, I can begin to fill in. See how it's filling in? Proper placement. So you can see I got it to fill in most of the way, but over here I have to drill again. Over here I have to drill again. That spike can crack. Hey my brother, just to prove to you I'm not Jesus, I just follow Jesus. Once we got this done, they're curing. I went over here. I chose to drill to the left, the bottom. I chose to drill to this side, and as I did, it popped and it went further. But because I have in my arsenal all the tools, all the ways to address these, I calmly breathe. I choose a side, not the same side. This time I'm going to choose a different side. And then you can see how that is on that line, opposite. Okay. Now I should be able to fill this in just like a star. And here's a little more what my inner dialogue sounds like when I'm doing a repair. Please, Jesus, please fill that in. Thank you. Okay, brother, just a quick recap on this one. Here we go. There was a star that should have been drilled to the sides of it so it could have looped around. Then we would never have had the crack, most likely. Then there was this deep drill slip that had to be resurfaced. Then there was this drill point that I was able to loop around and inject into. Then we move up the brake. I did another drill hole, which was on a side of it instead of directly on it. Then we go up the break. There were 2 small drill attempts, but they were too shallow and right on the break. That's why it cracked further. I drilled here. You'll still see the refraction of light, but the air is out of it because I drilled to the left or the right and looped around. Then I could inject in for stitching. Same thing, you see this up here. It's refraction of light, but the break is actually now filled. So drilled there. I had my failure where I tapped it here. No, nope. These were your 2 failures that made it propagate. I drilled to this side and deeper, looped it in. Then my failure up here, which propagated it, and I drilled to this side. So we're better now.